friends, welcome to Kids Zone with Trishy. That's me. Today we're going to read a story called I Love Mom. I heart Mom. I love Mom. Mom. Let's look for the very hungry caterpillar. Do you see the hungry caterpillar? Yes, there she is. You lift me up. Can you find the very hungry caterpillar? Yes, there she is. She's on the back of the kangaroo. And hold me close. Did you find the caterpillar? Yes, she's next to the penguin. You are so wise. Wise means you're very smart. Here's the caterpillar. She's under the branch. And you never forget me. The caterpillar's on top of the elephant's head. Even when... Do you see the hungry caterpillar now? Yes, she's around the yellow flower. I monkey around. The caterpillar's on top of the monkey's finger. So silly. Or get snappy. You show me the way. Do you see the hungry caterpillar now? Yes, she's in between the ducks. How many ducks do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 baby ducks and 1 mama duck. And help me find my feet. The caterpillar is under the giraffe. That's why I love you, Mom. The very hungry caterpillar is right there, right on top of the word Mom. The end. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share the video with your friends. Thank you. See you next time.